You're watching this video most probably because you have a visa interview coming up. In this video, I'm going to talk about 5 tips which will increase your chance of getting F1 visa approval. So stay tuned. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Goal Study Abroad. I post regular videos related to studying abroad. So please subscribe to my channel so that you do not miss any videos when I release them. Tip 1. Dress to impress. First impressions always matter a lot. You're meeting this visa officer for the first time and you will speak with them hardly for 5 minutes. So make a good first impression by wearing something nice. Doesn't have to be a suit, a tie, but a formal shirt and a formal pant with good shoes would be great. You have to be well groomed. Guys, make sure that your beard is trim or shaved. Girls, you can put on some light makeup. The whole idea is to look sharp, clean, pleasant, and most importantly, look rich. Tip 2. Smile, exchange greetings, and show enthusiasm. People of USA are well known to make small talks and they always exchange greetings. So the first thing when you see the visa officer is you look in the eye, smile, and you say, "How are you doing today, officer?" They will answer you and will ask you the same. Now this is your chance to shine, show enthusiasm and answer, "I am doing well, thank you." Your voice should show enthusiasm and this will be a great start for your interview, which is very important. Tip 3. Always keep your answers short and to the point. Example, if they ask you who is sponsoring you, your answer should just be, "My parents are sponsoring me," or "I'm taking a bank loan." That's it. Don't be nervous and don't give any additional information. The more additional information you give, the more questions you will be asked. So just keep it clear, concise, and to the point. Be confident. This is the key to success. If the visa officer thinks you are nervous, they will think you are lying and they will ask you more questions and go more in details. Remember, they are just human beings too, so there is no need to be scared. Tip 4. Practice saying it out loud. You will get confidence only if you practice and are comfortable with the answer. What you write down or practice in your head is not the same as speaking out loud. There might be words which you might find very difficult to pronounce and you need to find them and replace them. This can only be done if you practice saying it out loud. There are 3 things you could do. 1. Speak in front of the mirror. 2. Record yourself and watch the recording. And 3. Practice with your friends or any of your family member. Imagine being in that situation. When I went to the interview, I was imagining I would sit down and there would be an interviewer in front of me and we would have an interview. But that is not how it works. It's like a railway ticket counter. The visa officer will be on the other side of the window. There will be a glass in between you and you will be on the other side. I have made a video of top 10 frequently asked questions in F1 visa interview and the strategy to answer all of them. So please watch that video. The link should appear on the top left corner of this video right now. There is a very high chance that the questions asked to you in the visa interview would be one of them. So practice these questions and say the answers out loud. Tip 5. Carry all the documents you can. I have given a list of all the documents you will need for your F1 visa interview in the description of this video. Usually all you need is your appointment letter, your DS-160 confirmation page, your passport and your I-20. But please carry other documents as well, like financial documents. These are needed to support your answer for the question who is sponsoring you. It could be a loan approval letter, it could be your parents' tax forms and bank statement, etc. The next thing is academic documents. These are transcripts and your graduation certificates. Also carry your GRE and TOEFL score. If you follow the first 4 tips that I have mentioned in this video, there is a very low chance that any document proof will be asked. I hope this video helps you, and all the best. If this video provided any value to you, please like the video and consider subscribing to the channel Goal Study Abroad. I post regular videos about visa interviews, applications, and student experience. All the best for your interview.